On question number 3, I have 30 units of one type of insulin and 16 units of another type. So I want to add 16 to 30 and get 46. So the 30 is going to be my first mark, and the 46 is going to be my second mark. And 46 is 3 marks below the 40. And then just shade in the syringe. The colors are not actually green and blue, but just for the sake of these examples, I'm using green and blue. Looking at number 4, it's 10 units and 72 units. So if I add those up, I get 82. And again, 10 is my first mark, and 82 is my second mark. And that will be our answer.